I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can fix your Photos app crashing. So from your desktop here, you want to go to the start menu down here, and then you want to go to the search bar, and then you want to find programs. Just type in programs, and then in here, you'll find the add or remove programs on the control panel. Just click on that. Now on here, you can see it'll show all of your latest program. You just want to go to the search bar up here, and then you want to search up photos, right? It's because the one we're having problem with is photos. So obviously here it is, photos. Now on photos, click on the three bar up here, and then click on advanced option. Now on advanced options here, scroll down, and you want to click on this do button here, repair, and then reset. After that, that's it, you're done. If you're still having problems, there is a more advanced solution. So go to the search bar down here, and then you want to find command prompt CMD, and then on CMD here, you want to click on run administrator. Click on yes, and then you want to type in sfc/scan now, and then press enter. After that, it will begin a system scan just in case something is wrong. But after this is finished, it should fix your Photos app crashing. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.